Hi everyone, Liz here. Thanks for stopping by. Yeah, I've been doing a little bit of playing about this morning, and I thought I would seal this jigsaw of this Scotty dog. It's A4 paper in size. And yeah, I decided to use the art dot sealer. Bit of a surprise on that because it's actually completely clear, and I was expecting it to be white, similar to the Craft Buddy one. But never mind. So I went to put a scoop in to get some out, and it was completely clear, and I spilt it everywhere. But that's just me. Clumsy Liz is back. Yeah. So anyway, I decided I'd put it on a glass cutting mat and I'd put the sealer on the back, thinking it'll seep through and seal all the pieces together. And then I had this horrible thought, what if it sticks to the mat? And then when I go to take it off, it's going to be all peeling the paper, because obviously this is a wooden jigsaw, so the paper is all on top, the print is all on top. So I've now got a piece of acetate, and with a lot of manoeuvring, a lot of mess, quite a bit of sticky, I've managed to put it the right way up now. So if it sticks to the acetate, it doesn't matter. I can always cut around the acetate. So yeah, that's as far as I've got at the moment with that. It does appear to be sticking to the acetate, I have to say. But there's worse things that happen. At least, yeah, it's not sticking to anything that's going to ruin the picture. It does seem to be sort of sealing in some places, but not others. So we'll see how it goes. I may still have to buy a jigsaw sealer, but I would have really thought that a sealer for diamond paintings and jigsaw sealers was the same. Maybe I should have put it on the top. I was just a bit wary about putting it on the top. Maybe it's just me. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. Yay! Right, I've now got a little parcel to open from the lovely Zoe, and I've had this one a long time. The postmark on it is the 21st of May. So I do apologise, Zoe. Hubby passed on the 16th, so it arrived just after that, and I did think, oh, that's lovely, and then I just couldn't bring myself to open it, and I certainly wasn't in a place to film it, and it's not really fair if somebody sends me something lovely and I don't film it, really. It's yeah. Anyway, so I'm going to go downstairs onto my lovely new pink desk, get this little packet opened and see what's in it. See you in a bit. Okay, so the lovely Millie Moo has decided to join me on Daddy's chair there, haven't you? Yeah. So, yeah, you just sat there, you decided you wanted to come up so that you can see what's going on the desk. So here we are, yes. Okay, so we're going to open this parcel now. I know you like to open parcels with Mummy, don't you? So we'll just have to see how we get on. Okay, so I'm back. I've got this new sort of like stand thing with these little lights on and everything, and I'm trying to film using that. Millie's just over there, look, just chilling out on the chair. This is the new stand. I've got to work out how to do it. I think I'll probably go back to my old S stand, but yeah, we like to get ourselves comfy when we're watching Mummy filming. She's really happy now though, because she's at a level with me, whereas before she was in a basket on the floor and she couldn't see what was going on. Okay, so I'm going to have to try and figure out how to get these legs out of the way. Maybe stand it on the floor, that might work. But anyway, for now, we'll manage with what we've got, because we've just got a smaller package that just fits sort of in between the feet. If I start getting big boxes and things, I'm going to have to figure something out differently. But look, we're all pink. Although this looks more peachy in this light, but anyway. Right, so let's get into it and have a look. I have contacted Zoe and apologised for the amount of time. Yeah, 21st of May, look, this one was posted. So, yeah, I do apologise, but it's just how things happen, unfortunately. I have had some wonderful packages from Zoe in the past. Yeah, and they're still on my desk upstairs. So I'm going to have to decide what I'm bringing down and what I'm putting on my desk downstairs as well. This might be something to put on my desk down here. So we need to personalise it a little bit. Let's see if we can... Oh, do you know, I'm out of practice at opening boxes and things, aren't I? Good job, I'm not in a rush. So, what have we got? What have we got? Oh, more packages. Right, so that one's empty. Okay, thank you. I am very lucky and very honoured that people send me things. I really do appreciate it. You don't have to, but I do appreciate it. Oh, look, I've got a card as well. So let's have a look at this. see what we've got in here. It's a good job I brought the knife downstairs because, yeah, I'm doing quite a bit of cutting and my nails are in a horrendous state. The last time I did them was just before the funeral. We won't talk about that. And yeah, I've not done them since. So look, they all say Liz from Zoe on them. Let's have a look. Oh, look, and little thank you things as well. Let's have a look in here and see what Zoe has to say. Oh my goodness. Oh, Zoe, you do spoil me, but thank you so much. Oh, I'm making the right pig's ear of this as well. Oh, look, look, look. Look, look, look. Oh, oh, look. She sent me a sympathy card. Thank you, sweetheart. That's so kind of you. I'm not going to open it and read it now because I don't want to cry on my videos. But thank you. It really does mean a lot. But look at these. Holographic, hot pink and strawberries. I love strawberries. Yeah, we're coming out of strawberry season now, aren't we? I meant to go and pick some, but I never got around to it. But look at that. One's come to me in the post. How lovely. And that unicorn is so pretty and sparkly. So thank you very much. These will definitely be staying down here on my desk, I think. That's wonderful. Right, which one shall we open first? What do you think, Millie? Oh, she's gone to sleep. I was going to let Millie choose, but she's gone to sleep. So we won't do that then. Oh dear. Yeah, and this is the day after I made the video yesterday and uploaded it. So we'll see how we go. As I say, if I'm okay, we're going to do videos because I've got so many things to get through. I've got some more happy mail packages from people as well. So I will get to them. And again, I have contacted those ladies and just said, sorry that I've not opened them yet. Oh my goodness, wow. Oh gosh. So we've got some lovely, oh look, purple washi tape. Helps if you put it in camera, Liz. I'm further away now. So yeah, lovely washi tape. Excellent. Let's keep these in view here. Oh, look at this. It's hot pink. Oh my goodness me. I do think people are sort of like starting to get to know me. Although why they think I like pink, I don't know. So these will definitely go on my new tree. Look at that. It's a heart with a gorgeous hot pink flower on it. Oh, that's wonderful. Thank you so much. We like key rings. And I've got a place to put them now where I can see them. I've got an owl. Ooh, ooh, well, how do I get into this one? Oh, there it is, look. Don't confuse me. Oh, look, a pretty bag as well. Pink flowers on the bag. Yay. Oh, look, it's a little owl with his little teaching hat on. Oh, that's gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, all the time you've taken to do these and send them to me. I really do appreciate it. These are gorgeous. Brings a smile to the day, doesn't it? Handmade by Zoe. Oh, do you sell your things, Zoe? With them being in these beautiful little packets, because they are very, very good. I'm sure people would be interested in them. You've got your little handmade stickers as well. So this is a lovely little felt flower. Wow. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, Millie's gone. There's obviously something more interesting going on elsewhere. Yeah, she's obviously decided this bag's not interesting enough for her. I may rave about diamond paintings, but obviously Millie's not that interested. But this is wonderful, and it's a little stick pin, look. So that will go on a piece of clothing or a hat or wear as a brooch or something. But that is really pretty. Oh, it's just so gorgeous when somebody's made something for you. It's really, really appreciated. So let's see what's in this one. I can see we've got an egg, and I think that's a key ring as well. And I will keep that for my Easter tree for next year. I did get my Easter tree up, but we never really got the Easter decorations finished. So we've got a elephant. Oh, and we've got a leopard. Better not show Millie that one. Look at those. Wow, very ferocious. So yeah, thank you very much. They all go in my little sticker folder that I've now got. I've got a remote control, look, for me stand and my phone. I don't have to keep fiddling with the phone up there anymore. I'm easily pleased. Right, and oh, that is beautiful. Look at that. It's a Easter egg. Yay. So that'll go away for next year. Or I might put it up now. Who cares? Oh, and some more stickers. Oh, look at that. It's a rainbow. Hope you can see that. With two little smiley faces at either end. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, these will definitely be going down here. I think I might have to put something on the wall in front of me so I can put all these on there. Oh, look, and a happy ice cream or ice lolly. We definitely have needed ice lollies. Oh, I will get used to this. I never said I was a professional at this, and I've not got any better while I've been away. So, yeah, we've got a little happy ice lolly. Won't be quite so happy when I start eating it, will it? Not that one particularly. I don't eat my diamond paintings. Honest. And then a lovely cupcake with a cherry on top. Very sparkly. And, oh, another ice lolly. Oh, look at that one. Oh, I wonder what flavour that is. But I love the theme of hot pink going through all these. Yay! We like our hot pink. Okay, so let's get into this one. All these packages. Goodness me. So I am definitely being spoiled, and Zoe is very, very clever making all these and sending them to me. That's just so lovely of you. Right, so how am I getting into here? Let's just see if we can cut this top bit. Millie's having a bit of a growl. What are you growling at, Millie? There's a big fluffy sort of tabby and white CAT that keeps walking underneath our window, and then it just sits there and looks at Millie and torments her, and so she suddenly goes completely mad, and you suddenly think she's turned into a huge monstrous dog. She hasn't. She just doesn't like CATs. Oh my goodness, 2 more little packets. Oh my, it's just the gift that never stops giving, this one. It's wonderful. Okay, oh look, it's a bookmark with a hot pink owl on it. Let's put it that way so you can see it lengthways. So we've got all these little owls. Oh no, there's 4. Oh my goodness. They go from small to big. So we've got, let me take it out the packet list so that there's no glare on it. Let's see this properly. Oh my goodness, what am I like? Right, that's better. So we've got a little green owl at the top, and then a blue owl, and then a bigger green owl, and a hot pink owl, and then a blue one. They're all looking a little bit worried. That one's looking that way, thinking, I wonder if this branch is going to hold. He's maybe heard a crack somewhere. And then this one's just looking, saying, I'm hot pink, I don't care. This one's just, well, looking a little bit startled. And this one's a little bit startled, and that one's looking to see whether the branch is going to crack as well. So, yeah, but isn't that absolutely wonderful? Oh, and look at the tassel on it as well. Ooh, with the lovely lotus flower on it there. That's so pretty. Is it a lotus flower? I think it is. Very pretty. And then, oh, look, she spoilt me again. This is another little buddy, I do believe. I've still got the others. What did you send me Jasmine last time? And I think I got Buzz Lightyear as well. I really like my Buzz Lightyear. And oh, look, we've got a little Disney princess. Is that Belle? With her little rose in her jar there. Oh, that's really pretty. Thank you very much. Yeah, it comes in its little stand, so I can have that stood on my desk, and it's one of the Craft Buddy Crystal Art ones. Look, one of my favourite companies. So we'll stand her that way so we can see her. So look at all these. We've got a lovely little buddy from Craft Buddy, one of their lovely little stand figures. That's gorgeous. Disney princess. We've got a definite theme of hot pink going through these, and we've got a bookmark and all these stickers, and the owl. I love the owl, and that with the gorgeous pink flower on it, hot pink, and some stickers there as well. So, oh, absolutely wonderful. So thank you ever so much, Zoe. These are brilliant. I really, really do appreciate it. and I hope you've enjoyed looking at them with me. As I say, I'm getting back into filming now. This is 2 days on the trot, so whether I'll get this actually uploaded tonight or not, I'm not sure. I will try. It depends on the internet gods as to whether they will actually let it upload properly, because we've been having a few internet problems recently, but fingers crossed it will. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed looking at these with me. As I say, I hope everybody's okay, and that life is treating you kindly. And thank you so much for coming along and joining me. And thank you for all the views yesterday. I can't believe how many people watched that video after I've been away for so long. It really is appreciated, and it means a lot. So, if you've got any comments or questions, in the comments down below, as normal. If you want to come back and see what I get up to next, then please subscribe, press the button and the all notifications bell, and then you won't miss anything. And yeah, share it with your friends. Let's see if we can grow the channel a little bit more and see where we end up. Okay, well, thanks for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Take care, everyone. Bye for now.